where God wants you to operate. Somebody will get there today. I said somebody will get there today. How do you know that, pastor? Because somebody is going to decide to start working with God from this service. And that will be your release. That will be your release. That will be your release. And when people trace you to the things they used to know you for, you are no longer there. You have moved. You are operating in a new level. Please stand to your feet. Stand to your feet. Stand to your feet. I want to be out of sight. To all these things that troubles me, all these things that move me, these infirmities, this hold, this grip, I want to be out of sight today. Listen to me, man. God began to minister to me about this passage. Even I started looking at those things that I want to shoot out from. Shoot out from. Those things that I want to shoot out from. I started looking at them. I know them. Do you know yours? Do you know what you want to shoot out from? Those limitations. Those things that hold you down. That troubles your mind. That distract you. Some of them are just distraction. Are you ready to move above them? That when it's thrown at you, it will not stick. The people will be wondering, how come this thing is not troubling him? Because it's out of sight. It's not operating here in the natural. It's up there in the supernatural. I'm going to pray this service. Everyone here, because time is ticking, who is saying there are things in my life that I want to be out of sight. I don't want those occurrences anymore. I don't want them anymore. Please come to the altar. Come to the altar. I'm going to pray for you. Just come and stand in front here. Lord, you can take me above the storm. The theory of the world. Oh, you cannot be in this world and not have troubles. Well, if you expect troubles, you get troubles. You can rise above troubles. That even when it comes, it will not stick. It will not stick. I'm going above the shadows into the presence of God. It's a song we used to sing some years ago. He says, I am going higher. Yes, I am. I am going higher. Someday. We can sing it about today. I am going higher. Yes, I am. I'm going with Jesus to stay. I am going above the shadows into the presence of God. Into the presence of Jesus. I am going higher today. I'll sing it again. I am going higher. Yes, I am. I am going higher today. I am going high. I am going higher. Yes, I am. Going with Jesus. You see, you can't go alone. You have to go with him. I am going above the shadows, just into the presence of God, into the presence of Jesus. I am going higher today. I am going above the shadows, into the presence of God, into the presence of Jesus. Jesus to say, I am going above the shadows into the presence of God, into the presence of Jesus. I am going higher today. Every one of you standing up here, I'm going to give you a minute. You are going to pray. You are going to begin to declare concerning those things, those areas of your life where you want to be out of sight. You are going to declare now, I want to be out of sight to sickness. Lord, I'm out of sight to barrenness. I'm out of sight to failure. I'm out of sight to unemployment. Open your mouth now, begin to pray that prayer now. Wherever you are, open your mouth. Declare in those areas of your life where you want to be out of sight, out of the reach of the enemy, out of the reach of your position, out of the reach of the forces of the natural, where you want to be superior, where you want to operate above the natural. Lord,